Hi guys, if you are planning an event, you definitely want to attract a larger audience and make a strong impress. So the backward EA500 rental screen is your choice. And our rental screen have a high brightness, high definition, and bright color, and other features to meet the need of your different activities. The EA500C3 rental screen is suitable for various applications such as exhibition, open ceremony and meeting, and so on. Our rental screen has the following advantages. The first one is high definition. Our rental screen uses advanced LED technology with high definition and high brightness and high color gamut and other characteristics. So let your activities more shocking and bright. And second, high brightness or rental screens use advanced LED technology with a high brightness and low energy consumption, so that your activity is more bright and eye-catching. And third, bright color or rental screen use advanced light technology, so with the first bright color expression. So make your activities more lively and interesting. Yes, our rental screens are suitable for the variety of occasions, such as exhibitions and conferences and open ceremonies and so on. And the EagerLED rental screen is the best choices for your activities. So contact us as soon as possible to make your activities more impressive. Okay, see you next time. Bye.